Alright guys, this is an old a Honda Accord. Let me zoom out. Let me see if I could. Can I zoom out? Okay. As you can see, I'm working on an old Honda. It's let's see. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. It's one of these old Hondas that I bought, and you know what? It's a great car. The only problem is that a couple of years ago, I had an issue with the belt on this, and I basically was adjusting the belt, and you know, this whole bracket, it comes with let me see if I can get the bolt out. Here's the adjuster bolt it comes with, and this bolt is supposed to, this is for the power steering, by the way. It goes for the power steering, and there's two bolts that go through here. One is if you can see, let me see if I can, is this one goes through here, and there's a smaller bolt over here that I basically over tightened, and I didn't realize that this bolt was not supposed to be tightened that much, but I broke it off anyway. That's the short story. Every day I start the car and the belt squeaks because there's no way for this bracket to be held. You know, you can see that, you know, I broke the bolt. So this, when I was tightening the power steering, this was basically going like this, and the belt was squeaking. And basically my wife got tired of it. She's like, "Listen, you have, every morning you go, and this thing squeals like a pig, and you have to fix this." So today's the day I decided to fix it. So this whole thing, you will see, it was just totally sheared off, and I broke it. And today I said, you know, the only way to get this out is to drill it. So I was drilling it, and what I did was basically, it's such tight space to it's hard to get a drill in here. You know, there's just not enough space here between here, and it's just really tight. It's a tight spot, and I really even can't even get, you know, enough of an angle to turn this. But what I did was I basically drilled a small hole here and a small hole on the bottom. And what I'm going to do now is basically I'm going to take some pliers, some needle nose pliers, and just hope to turn this in which the bolt just comes out. And I hope this will Alright, so I'm gonna try to use a little punch here. Let me see if I have, where's my hammer?
Someone is fixing the car. I can say.
So.
Hi, it's me, Alina, again.
Oh, okay, it moved. Okay, here we go. Yep, okay, yep, here we go, okay, alright, yeah, I guess I'm getting some success, very good. Alright, so, okay, you know what, it's hard, you see, I have no angle to hit the bolt from here. There's not much space here. So okay, alright, it's working.
He's fixing the car.
Alright, this is as much as it's gonna go. We'll try. Please go outside.
Hi.
Okay, I think I got a good grip on it now. If I could just, I hope you can see this. I'm trying to focus as best as I can here. Let's see. Okay, it's turning. It's turning. Oh man. Oh, okay. There we go. Oh man. Wish there was more space here. So, alright. Yeah. Alright, you know what? I have enough. Oops. I just hit the camera. Alright. I think I have enough of space to take this from here. Yeah. There you go. You know what? Maybe I could just do it by hand now. Alright. Here we go. This was the issue all along. I guess focusing is not the greatest. Hopefully it'll focus. I guess not. But so, success. Here's the end of the bolt that broke off, and zoom in back at the hole. The hole is just totally, go closer, completely where's the hole? Yep. I mean, you know, because of the angle I was drilling at, I could see there's some damage in the front, but I think I could still put a fastener in there and get this thing to work. You know, I don't need it to be perfect. So I'm going to call this a success. Alright, hope this helps you. See you next time.